You are looking at retail sales data dashboard in Incorta, where we have 20 stores in 6 different regions. And each store has department by category. So for example, for food category, you have different department. You're looking at overall sales and profit. And of course, in Incorta, you can, if you want to just look at one store, you can click on that and then you can see the trend over here, and then all the transactions at the lowest granularity you can see in this table as well. Now, this is what I want to do as a business user. I want to define or set a forecast for Q2 of 2025. It's almost March end. So let's see how you can define a forecast and also ability to update forecast, because it might keep changing for different stores in different region based on promotion we are running. And when I do that update, I want to do that in Snowflake. That means I need to prepare my data in Incorta, sync it with Snowflake, or add a forecast table in Snowflake, and then do write back from Incorta to Snowflake. Let's see how you can do that. Now, creating a table like this in Incorta is really easy. This is an aggregated table where by region, store, and category and different department, I have sales Q2 2024. And then forecast here is just, I have a formula which is just 10% more than whatever sales we had in Q2 2024. That's what this is showing here. And I want to create this table in Snowflake right from Incorta, and then write back to Snowflake to update this forecast based on certain promotion or location of store and so on. Now, what I've done to prepare this data and also add this in Snowflake, I have a table already created in this prepare data schema. This is sales forecast for Q2 2025. Using analyzer table in Incorta, it's really easy to prepare this data. So this table exists in Incorta in a schema. And the reason I've created this table will become very clear. Let's go to this client that we have in Incorta to create table in Snowflake. This is connecting to Snowflake live. There are 4 tables here. If I go to Snowflake, you will notice there are 4 tables here as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a table like this in Snowflake using Incorta. So let's go here and create on plus here to create new table. And I'm going to create this table using table that already exists in Incorta. So let's select the schema and table that we just reviewed. And I want to select all the columns here. So sales and then forecast as well, and click on create. So this is creating a new table in Snowflake right from here. There are around 377 rows, and all those rows will get created in Snowflake as well. I can preview this data right here in Incorta, or I can preview here in Snowflake as well. If I refresh, I can see this table which got created here, and I can see the data preview as well. Now, here you will notice that it also creates few more columns like primary key ID, created date, modified by, so that you can track these in Incorta if somebody modifies the forecast. Now, one thing I also need in this table here in Snowflake is a comment column. Anytime you update the forecast, should be able to add a comment as well. So let's go ahead and add a new column in this, and let's call it comment, and click on that here. So a new column got added in Snowflake. If I refresh this, I should be able to see it here as well. There you go. And I should be able to see that column in Snowflake as well. There you go. I have comment column as well. Now let's set up a write back in Incorta, because I want to now start updating forecast in Snowflake using write back from Incorta. So let's see how you can do that. Okay, I have this write back set up in Incorta. This is showing me forecast Q2 2025 table that I have here. And let's say I want to update forecast for a particular store and department. So let's do this. Let's, for produce department, for food category, for A4, let's update this forecast to 50,000. Now I can search from here as well for department produce, store A4, and let's say region is Northwest. So for region Northwest, forecast is around 46,470. For region Northwest, for a store, 46,470. So let's go ahead and update this to 50,000. Maybe we are running some promotion there and we expect more sales there in Q2. And I can add a comment here. So this got updated here. And if I go back to Snowflake and refresh this table data, I should see if it is 50,000 here. Yep, 50,000. So this is how you can use Incorta to manage your forecast as well and maintain this data in Incorta as well as in Snowflake.